Be quiet. We're hunting adventure seekers. Welcome back, adventure seekers. And you heard me correctly. We are out hunting adventure seekers. It is Memorial Day weekend 2023. I had to work this morning, so I could not take off at Kickstand's Uptime for a big ride today on the Southern Ohio Adventure Loop. This rarely works where I take off and try to find a needle in a haystack. But we're going to do it anyway because it sounds like fun. So hope you enjoy this ride. We've made it to the Southern Ohio Hills, getting close to Shawnee, not quite, but close to Blue Creek General Store, where I've got my fingers crossed I'll just pull in. There'll be a whole herd of adventure seekers in there. Coming up on the Blue Creek General Store. I see one bike getting gas. I was hoping to see about 10 of them. What's up, buddy? Couldn't have been timed any better. I literally just pulled in.
Did you?
Yeah. How about that?
I told you like one or two. I thought you were a little
Hope you don't run off the road. Yeah, exactly. Pan America is pretty cool.
We got the bikes. Hey, check him out. What are you doing, partner? Good to see you.
Yeah, thank you. Out at it again.
Yeah, I see you're feeling all right. Good. All right, we got the group is all together. We're in two groups. I chose to go with the more off-road oriented group. And then there's another group of GSs and old timers pulling up the rear. Coming up on Tobe Lewis.
You want to lead them up and then I'll follow you just and put it
Okay.
everybody?
That's not good. Nobody behind me.
There he is.
What's up?
Because
Oh, we had an incident. Well, that's about every different kind of bike you could have. We just need a GS up here. Home Run Road. That's fun.
I got 890 going.
We have entered Shawnee State Forest. Nice save. That was close.
Hit the gas.
Yeah, you did good, not panicking.
Everybody having a good day?
Yeah.
Hard to beat. Down to 5 guys, as a lot of the others needed to get fuel and head home. Some fellow adventurers. Yeah. Showing off for the camera, I think. What you
I don't see a hole in the engine. That's a good thing. Got it?
It's not sitting there very good.
I'm thinking guy.
It's up off the ground.
I'm a thinking man.
All right. Well, we made it. I was separated from the group and I had to stop over here at Fort Hill and grab me my lunch. And it is almost 6, so it's kind of a late lunch. I kind of wore myself down, but had a great time. Hope you guys enjoyed watching all this fun stuff. New trails for me, bunch of new guys I never met before. I feel like a few of them I'm probably going to stay friends with for a long time to come. So I am just got about half an hour, 40 minutes to get home, and then I'm gonna grab me probably some more to eat because I am starving. So, peace.